A strong immune system is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. It acts as the body's defense mechanism against infections, diseases, and various pathogens. With the increasing prevalence of illnesses, many people are looking for effective ways to boost their immune system. This article will discuss various strategies to enhance immune function, focusing on lifestyle changes, nutrition, and stress management. Nutrition: balanced diet. Eating a well-rounded diet is crucial for a healthy immune system. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that play a role in immune function. Vitamin C. Foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli, are known to support immune health. This vitamin helps in the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting infections. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for immune regulation. Sources include fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and sunlight exposure. If you struggle to get enough vitamin D, consider supplementation after consulting with a healthcare professional. Zinc. This mineral is critical for immune function and can be found in foods like meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds, and nuts. Including zinc-rich foods in your diet can help your immune system respond effectively to pathogens. Probiotics. Gut health is closely linked to immune function. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi to promote a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports immunity. Hydration. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is vital for overall health and supports the immune system. Water helps transport nutrients to cells, flushes out toxins, and keeps mucous membranes moist, which can prevent infections. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, adjusting based on activity level and climate. Physical activity. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity can help enhance immune function. Moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, boosts circulation and promotes the movement of immune cells throughout the body. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Sleep. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for a robust immune system. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates immune cells. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your immune health. Stress management. Manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Finding hobbies that bring you joy can also help mitigate stress. Avoid harmful habits. Limit alcohol and tobacco. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can impair immune function. Limiting or avoiding these substances can help keep your immune system strong. Conclusion. Boosting your immune system involves a holistic approach that combines proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate hydration, quality sleep, and effective stress management. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can enhance your immune function and support your overall health. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Whether you're looking to fend off seasonal colds or maintain your health, taking proactive steps can make a difference. Stay informed, eat well, and prioritize your well-being.